Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix keyboard lag on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, experiencing keyboard lag can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you are trying to get work done or respond quickly to message. So, knowing how to fix it can help reduce this frustration. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, open Play Settings menu on your device. Okay, after that scroll down so you can choose General Management option. After that select Samsung Keyboard Settings and scroll to the bottom. Then choose About Samsung Keyboard option. And then click this icon. So here you can tap on Force Stop and click OK. After that scroll a little bit and choose Storage option and then click Clear Cache here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix keyboard lag on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.